Let me make it clear, hindi pa tapos to. Ito ay resulta ng POGO. Uulitin ko, ito ay resulta ng POGO. We suspect na ang tinanggal ang biktima ay galing sa pamilya na nag-ooperate ng POGO dati. We are definite na ang sindikato na nasa likod ng kidnapping ay former operators ng POGO din. We are definite na ang perpetrators ay ginamit ang kanilang mga former bodyguards na awol na ngayon sa serbisyo ng AFP at PNP. Awol. So they're no longer in service. So, we are sure that the syndicate is still here in the country. We will make sure that they will be neutralized at the soonest possible time. We will make sure that this kind of crime will not pay, at sisiguraduhin namin na ang katarungan ay mabibigay sa pamilya ng biktima. Let me make another thing clear. In this year, there have been 8 kidnap cases in the country. This year. 8. This is the 8th. 7 out of 8 resolved. Tama ba ako? Ano ba ang statistics natin?
5 of the 8, sir.
5 of the 8? Bigyan mo nga ang statistics natin. Anong statistics?
However, lahat po na-release na. All of the victims have been released and we are still investigating 3 out of the 8 cases, sir.
This puts an end to the chapter of the child. He is safe, he is secure, and relatively healthy. But this does not end with the retrieval and the rescue of the victim. The operations will continue. Sisiguruhin namin na hindi kami titigil hanggang matugis namin ang lahat ng mga responsable dito. Thank you very much.